Hey guys, what's up? It's Kelly. Today what I got going on for you is I actually did a makeup tutorial for you guys. I haven't been able to do a makeup tutorial in a couple weeks and I just wanted to sit down and play with my makeup today, and I kind of had a little bit more fun with it. So you got the pink brows and you guys get to see how I did my eye and face look. I do know that my foundation is a little bit light for my skin tone right now, and it might look a little bit lighter because I have a new filming setup that I'm working on. I am working on moving into a new place at the moment. I don't know when this video is going to go up exactly, but I will have my new filming and equipment set up for you within the next couple weeks. So look out for that video. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look today, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, my eyebrows are all done and finished, so I'm going to go straight into the face. I'm using my NYX Hydra Touch Primer. And then I'm starting out with my eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay. This one is in the color Eden. I like to take a dry sponge to blot this into the eye and just make the base a little bit more even. I learned this trick from Nikki Tutorials and it's been very helpful so far. Next, with my Norvina palette, I'm going into the color Soul and packing this on the outer corner of the lid and then working it up into my crease and right underneath my brow bone. I start with patting motions and then I start to go to back and forth or circular motions to blend it. With my NYX Ultimate Color Shadow palette, I'm going into this kind of like aqua green color, and that's going to go in the center of my crease, in the center of my eye, and I'm going to take the purple and the green and blend them together. Make sure it's nice and pigmented because this is going to be the lightest color I'm using on my eye today. I want to make sure it really pops. Next, I'll go back in with that Soul Purple color, and this look is really just about blending, blending, blending. So I go back into those two colors and make it seamless. For my inner corner, I wanted to blend in this kind of orangey yellow shade from the NYX Ultimate Colors Shadow Palette. And as you can see, I am taking that green and yellow and blending the two together so they're nice and seamless. Next, I'm going to cut my crease with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm cutting right below my crease. I'm not going too high with this one today, just because for the crease I wanted a little pop of color, which I actually pulled out my Anastasia Norvina palette for. Inside that cut crease on the first half of my eyelid, I'm going to put down the color Love, which is a matte pink shade, and make sure that it's really packed on there so it's nice and pigmented. I'm taking this other pink shade, it's called Wild Child, and that is going right over top of the color Love. With this purple color from the Norvina palette, I'm going to be putting this all over the center of my eyelid and blending it into both that inner corner pink shimmer and the purple in the outer corner. Then I'm going in with my foundation. I think I used the Becca Skin Love foundation in Shell today.
Yeah. First
oh my
off,
god.
I need to know where you got these zebra print pillows. Second of all, I got a 10-cup Blu-ray.
Embarrassing.
And
then after foundation, I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using the color Light Sand at the moment. Ugh, my foundation color is so off. This is bugging me. I didn't love this foundation after I wore it. Anyway, I take a damp beauty sponge and blend that into my under eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Then I go in with my RCMA No Color powder and I start to slightly bake the inner part of my under eyes. Then with a big fluffy brush, I'll take any excess powder and finish the rest of my face with it. I'm going to be finishing up the eyes, so I'm going back into that aqua kind of green color, and that's going on the center of my lower lid, and I'm blending it back into the outer corner as well as the inner corner. Next, I'm taking this super intense pink from the NYX palette, and that's only going on the outer corner of my eye and blending it up into the purple shade from the Norvina palette. I'm going to go back in with those colors and blend them together, and then I'm taking that orange color again and I'm connecting it to the top of the lid where I put the orange color down before. So I go into the contour now. This is my Urban Decay Shapeshifter palette, I'm taking the lighter powder shade and a Morphe brush and chiseling my cheeks. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. This will go on my cheekbones and my temples mostly, but also around my nose and down my neck. And for my blush, I'm using this blush from Anastasia, her Radiant Blush Kit, and dusting my cheeks with that. For mascara today, I'm using the Bad Gal Bang Mascara, my personal favorite mascara. I can't talk about this more than I have. It's insane. I put on lashes after that. My face a good spritz of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and then I'm pulling out my Sugar Glow Kit from Anastasia and dusting my highlighted areas with the color Marshmallow. I'll also go in underneath my brow bone and a little bit on my inner corner as well as my Cupid's bow to help give it a little bit more of a blinding highlight. Finishing up my lips, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Madison. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy to have all of the support and the love and community that I do with this YouTube channel and with my Instagram. If you guys liked this video and want to see my next videos, then don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I upload every single Thursday at 8 p.m. if you guys want to keep up with me. It's super duper fun. We have a little bit of fun on this channel and I absolutely love what I do. I'm going to get going because I have to go to work, but I love each and every one of you and I will see you in my next one. Bye!